I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate real estate monthly market report that's going to generate leads every single month. And I'm going to do it using free artificial intelligence platforms, namely 3 platforms. First is going to be Manus. Manus is going to give us deep dive research based on the market trends and all of the data and analytics that we need this month to create the best, most valuable market report than anyone else in your market will be able to do, which is going to be based on this prompt that I've created for you, based on inventory levels, home prices, days on market, buyer trends, seller motivation, and all of the different information that we need to then plop it into ChatGPT and create a presentation, which is going to then allow us to go into Gamma and create the ultimate presentation, which will be able to turn into a YouTube video. And I'll talk to you about how to generate that YouTube video and ultimately how to generate leads from it and how to make it rank above and beyond any other agent in your market. So let's go ahead and get started. So why are we using Manus? Manus is unbelievable for deep dive research, giving us the data that we need. Many people know that market reports are one of the best ways to generate high quality leads every month. For example, there's an agent that I've helped, Adam Fife. We can put his YouTube channel over the screen right now. And Adam only does these market report videos every single month. And he does 4 videos a month, market report videos based on different segments of his market. And he generates up to 50 seller leads a month for free. And I've helped multiple people achieve incredible results like that. Now, if you want the same training that Adam, Suman Kim, and all the other success stories that have helped, which are some of the most successful agents in the entire real estate industry on social media, you can click the link in the description. And for less than the price of a coffee per day, you can get the exact training that has helped multiple agents like you go from 0 and struggling to breaking 6, even 7 figures in the next 12 months with no experience, even if you're petrified of the camera using social media. So that training, again, you could join over nearly 7,000 agents now in the program, and it's the only program that is updated every year based on what works right now, which is why we have hundreds of video testimonials from it. Again, less than a coffee a day, and you could be on the path to breaking 6 figures today in the next 12 months. So let's go ahead and copy this prompt. And we'll make it specific to any market, right? So act as a real estate market analysis. I'm a realtor in, maybe we'll choose, for example, Denver, Colorado. Create a market update video for me based on the month of, maybe we'll go, we'll go backdate a little bit, April 2025. Please generate a monthly market report, including all of this data. And why I love Manus is that you can see, unlike ChatGPT that just spits out an immediate response, and it's kind of good, kind of, depends on your prompt. You can see here what Manus does. I'm going to help you create a comprehensive market report for Denver. Let me gather the current market data. And if we click this, it'll actually show you in real time all of the searches that it is doing. So you can see how it's actually browsing Redfin right now, and you'll be able to see it clicking on certain things. You'll see all the searches that it does. So you actually have citations and credible articles of everything that you're going to be talking about in your market report, so that you have ultimate confidence that this is accurate and this is going to be the most valuable information that you can provide your marketplace. So let's let Manus work its magic before we then go to the next step and develop the presentation so that we can create videos about this and start to generate consistent free leads. And I'll show you how you can turn it into a lead magnet as well. Okay, so as you can see, Manus has finished its research. When we pop out this, you'll be able to see a bit of a summary here, right? Main market update summary, and it'll show you some of the details here, right? Current inventory is highest since 2011, median home price, average days on market, buyer demand, trend, seller motivation. This is very light, but not down here. And this is what I love about it. If we click this, it says Denver real estate market update. And it shows us all of the data right down here. And we can also look at this other document that shows some of the key data points which is super powerful, right? So here's what we're going to do. Now that we have all of the market data, instead of having to spend hours researching it or browsing on Google, hoping we can find the right details, right? We can see here buyer demand trends, buyer behavior, Denver Metro in terms of new listings, like regional insights, specific communities and surrounding areas. This gives you absolutely everything, which is crazy. We're going to come here and we're going to download both of these as PDFs. And after we download both as PDFs, we're going to come over here to beautiful ChatGPT. And we're actually going to drag and drop them into ChatGPT, just like so. And now it's going to become part of the knowledge base. So let's go back here. And now we need to design a presentation. Let's look at this. Based on this month's data, create me a detailed presentation that I can use in Gamma to create a visual presentation to record on my YouTube channel. I want a simple breakdown, and I want to know what it means for people considering buying, considering selling, and so I can educate them. Boom. It's going to read the document. And now look at this. The entire thing is going to break down the YouTube strategy. So now we have the title of the YouTube video. We have thumbnail ideas, we have the keywords, and we have the entire presentation outline. Presentation, so we need a bit of a introduction, we need the inventory details, home price stabilization, you can see all of this: buyer behavior, mortgage rate impact, sales activity, regional breakdown based on some of the surrounding areas, expert insights, and final takeaway. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. We're going to come over to Gamma, which is free. All of these platforms are free. And we're going to create the presentation. And I'll talk to you about how to record the presentation in order to make it very easy, engaging, the same way that Adam does and that I educate people to all the time. Paste in text. So this is going to be the text. Right? And you can add some context if you would like. Is a presentation for a monthly estate market update. Presentation for to record, and also uses a lead magnet, right? So we could record this and also use it as a downloadable guide for people that want to download it and go back and look at all the data. So we want it to be on presentation, right? What would you like to create? And we can either put it as tall, good for heavy text presentations or handouts, traditional, which is good for PowerPoints, and default. Now, typically, you want more text on these because we want to be able to provide as much context as possible. And now what we're going to do is we want detailed text. We want it, you can see right before Denver home buyers, home sellers, and home owners. We want it to be informative, professional, and market savvy. We want the images to be specific to Denver real estate. And that's pretty much it. We're going to click continue. It's already formatted it slide by slide for us. And now we can choose our branding. So if you want to know how to actually upload your own personal brand in here, so this designs everything custom to you, make sure you subscribe because I have some tutorials coming out on that. And I'm going to make sure that this year I put out enough free tutorials on AI and social media that are going to be more than what most people charge thousands of dollars for in their course, because I'm hearing of people paying $5,000 to $6,000 for AI courses to learn very simple prompting stuff and how to use these platforms. Subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll show you how to do it all for free. But you could choose, dark theme, professional, color, right? Like this is more of a luxury one. If we kind of go down here, look at this black and gold. But for now, let's just keep this theme, right? This is pretty neutral, pretty good. Generate. And now over the next minute, it's going to generate this video for us, or rather this presentation. And then I'll talk to you about how to record the video, right? So in the prompt, I actually said this month, which is why it says June, because I'm recording it in June. But all the data is for, April, May, because that's what I put. So you could do this for the month. I should have just done it for this month, but you'll be able to see this works everything out. And it's going to create really cool AI images for you. Okay, so as we can see here, it's giving us all the trends, all the data, everything that's going to be valuable for people to want to know if they're considering making a move. But the best part is it's going to allow you to create content for it. And I'll talk to you about how to rank for that as well. As you can see, it's giving a bit of a summary of what's happening in the surrounding areas outside of Denver, what it means for people overall, buyers, sellers, what to do next. Obviously, this is going to be a call to action to book a conversation with you. And that's why what you want to do on this last page is always include your contact information. So you can edit any of these very easily. And we can even click here and you can add in, for example, your Calendly if you want people to be able to book a call directly with you. Because what you typically want to do is we can come up here and look, specific to Denver, AI images, right? I've been to Denver. This is pretty much what it looks like. And you can see inventory at its highest, so lots of for sale signs. So all the images with AI relate specific to what is being said. Then we want to go ahead. Again, just wanted to show you a little bit more here, right? Professional, beautiful images, buyers looking at a home, right? It's pretty cool to see all of the data and the charts that it creates. And we're going to click share, export, and then typically want to export it as a PDF. You could choose a PowerPoint. PDF is usually what you want to export it as for a lead magnet. And then PowerPoint is what you want to export it as for your YouTube video. You could do it on a PowerPoint as well if you would like, but it's up to you. So what are we going to do with this? Well, now what you want is you want to use a platform called Loom.com. And as you can see here, this is the platform that I'm recording this very video on. And this is what Adam Fife uses as well to record his screen. And you have the option to have yourself in a little circle here in the corner as well, similar to what Adam does, so that as he's talking about it, it makes it more interactive. But that's typically what you want to do. And I'm going to show you quickly what that's going to look like before we continue on. Okay, so now you can see here I am. You can drag and drop and position yourself differently. You can make yourself a little bit bigger, put it in the corner here. But again, most people will kind of put it a little bit smaller and where they'll be able to kind of talk and engage. But this is using Loom. And this is what I use to record all my tutorials. But now you have this document and you can start to talk about the Denver market update, talk about all these data points like we can see here, point out different things, talk about what it means for buyers, for sellers, for people relocating there. And this is what's really exciting about this opportunity, because now you have all the best data and you don't have to guess anything about it. But with that being said, what do we need to do to now make sure that we actually create the most valuable presentation and make sure that it ranks, right? Well, I'm going to toss in a little bit of a bonus here for you. Based on this monthly market report, I need the following for my YouTube video. Hook that's going to get attention. Call to action. We want critical talking points for what to say. But most importantly, we want title options that will get a high click-through rate, or CTR. Thumbnail options that will get high CTR. And keywords that will help the video rank #1. And now what it's going to do is it's going to give you all the components for your market report, right? Denver's housing inventory just hit the highest level and sellers are panicking. But if you're a buyer or thinking of selling, this shift might be your biggest opportunity in years. Let me break it down, right? And then there's an alternative for high urgency. I like this one a little bit more. Call to action, right? This is going to be critical to be able to turn views into leads, and critical talking points. If you want to just do a bit of a brief overview so that you know what you should kind of be touching a little bit more on to provide the most insight possible. And then we have title options, right? Based on what curiosity-driven, fear-based, decision-based, bold, no fluff, data-backed. This is the one that I would choose personally, curiosity-driven. And thumbnail designs, right? Which is super cool. So we have thumbnail A with visual context and the exact text to use. We have the highest ranking keywords to help the video rank number 1 as well, right? In order to make sure that we can succeed with this incredible video here based on our presentation that we created in Gamma, right? Which is super cool. So now, you have a market report video, right? And this is what is so cool. This is going to put you as the authority every single month. And now you don't have to waste a ton of time trying to figure out what the right data points are. Even if you have no experience, you've never closed a deal in your life, you can now seem educated, like a credible resource, and like an authority in your local market. But the most important part when it comes to content, again, is going to make sure that you deliver it the right way and that you optimize it properly so that you don't spend all this time creating it and then it flops. If you want to get incredible views and generate 50+ seller leads a month like Adam, again, I encourage you to check out the Social Agent Academy, because for less than a coffee a day, you can have the exact same training that pretty much all of these successful agents on social are using because they followed my proven system. But if you would like to have a complete overview of how to leverage YouTube and crack the algorithm, check out this next video over there, and you'll see exactly how to crack the algorithm to get viral engagement. If you just want a little bit of advice, but I encourage you to take massive action. If you got value from this, make sure you like it, subscribe so I know that you want to see more AI videos, and we'll see you in the next one.